I'm going to show you how to share your screen on Zoom. So let's assume that you are in a Zoom conference. You want to share your screen. You'll click down on the shared screen button, and then all these windows might be there, but you might have nothing. Make sure you don't just click share right away, because you're just going to share your Zoom, so it's not really sharing anything. Okay? So what you're going to need to do, let's say I had an assignment, you're going to have to kind of minimize your screen a little there. Okay? Let's say my assignment's a Google Doc. I'd hit Chrome. I'd open up my drive. And then whatever assignment it is, I want to make sure I click on it and open that up. So now I know that window's open. So then go ahead and minimize that. Open your Zoom screen, right? Then when you hit share, notice that now that assignment's in one of those boxes. So I'll click on the box, and then I'll hit share. And now the teacher I'm working with will be able to see my work. All right. Hope that helped.